Hey everyone, this is Bob with Bob's CNC. I'm out in the shop this weekend, going to work on the rotary project. However, sometimes you have to go backwards to go forwards. Let me explain. So we have 3 engineers that work at Bob's CNC, myself, John, and Jonathan. So John is working on a Spoilboard project, and I have a prototype that I'm going to be putting on my machine. So it really is pretty cool. It has the MDF boards and then some small skinny boards to make a T-slot design. What's really cool is our lasers are only so long. So Sean came up with this idea where we could splice 2 together. So let me see if I can get up here a little closer to the camera and show you that we can wiggle those together and make one nice long piece now. So what I'm going to do today is put this Spoilboard on. Why am I changing the Spoilboard so I can do a rotary axis? This Spoilboard's only 3/4 of an inch thick. The one that I have is 3/4 baseboard plus the 1/2 inch MDF, and my rotary axis lacks about just under 1/4 of an inch to fit under the gantry. So with this design, I'll have a 1/4 inch of clearance. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and take off this Spoilboard. Then I'll go ahead and set the camera up high and see if I can do a time-lapse video of me putting on this Spoilboard so you guys can see how it goes together. All right then, now that we got the Spoilboard fastened out, it looks pretty good. If you noticed, I did paint my thin strips dark blue, so it gives it kind of contrast. I like the way that turns out. John did a great job designing my custom Spoilboard for my KL7. Looks like I'll be able to use the T-nuts then to mount my head and tail stock. And also, check this out, it actually goes over the top. So I still only have the 4 inches of clearance, but for testing this, a 4-inch diameter project should work out just fine. So I guess I need to design the 4th axis project so that I can continue on. Thanks for watching, guys.